Hi, I'm Dr. Ulhas Sona, Specialist Orthopaedics at Canadian Hospital. I have over 14 years of experience in India as well as in the UK. Over past 10 years, I have worked across various reputed institutes in the UK, like Wrightington Hospital, where Sir John Chandler invented modern day joint replacement. I am fellow of prestigious Royal College of Surgeons England, as well as the European Board of Orthopaedic and Traumatology. I have done my MCH super specialization and also my PG diploma in robotics and computer assisted knee replacements. I specialize in joint related problems like sports and ligament injuries, including meniscal, cartilage and ACL injuries. I have very keen interest in preserving joint joint preservation surgeries like osteotomies to realign the joints as well as the partial joint replacements. And also, I have expertise to perform various joint replacement as a last resort. We all know arthritis is appearing earlier nowadays. So my approach is to provide my patients with various options to preserve their joint as much as possible and as long as possible while maintaining the activities they love to do. This also helps them to maintain good bone and joint health, especially in later part of their life. So if you are suffering from any joint related issues, please feel free to consult us. I'm here to help you with latest guidelines and the international standards of care. Earlier you consult, better we can do in long run for your bone and joint health. Thank you very much.